Hi guys, here we are in the middle of creating MoleMash, our first real game as app jammers for our class. What we're working on right now is the scoreboard changing every time that we poke the mole in the game. We've got a block here that says set score label text to. Now we have to decide what that's going to refer to. So click text. You're looking for the block that says join right here. Click text again. You're looking for the blank block to go up in the top. We're going to fill it in and we're going to say score with a colon, just the way it's written on the button label that we did on the design phase. Okay. Next is variable. We're going to open the get block, click it into place. We need to go ahead and say get global score. And I think that's all there is to that one as well. Next thing we need is to add a timer. This is going to make the mole keep moving, and again repeating that set of instructions we've set for him. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click mole timer. Choose when mole timer due. Click procedures. And click call move mole. And click the blocks together. And that one's pretty easy. That's all there is for that command. Now we need to add something called a mole touch handler. This means the score will change every time the mole is touched. So we're talking about the mole, so we start there. Click mole. Drag the block that says when mole touched X, Y, do. When mole touched, X, Y, do. Click variables. Choose the one that says set blank to. We want to go ahead and change the blank to global score. We're going to click math and we're going to choose a plus block. It's got click math. It's got two openings and a plus in between. This one gets kind of complicated, so please pay attention. Okay, now that we have plus, we want to click variables and say get blank. Once again, we're going to change that to global score. We're going to click anywhere on the white part of the screen and type 1. Oof. Oh my goodness. 1. What a pain. There you go. You might have to work with it a little bit, but you get a blue block that says 1. Okay. The 1 goes here, global score goes here. What this block tells us that when we touch the mole, the global score will change. The global score will say +1 each time we touch it. Okay. Now we click noise. And we drag the block that says click noise, vibrate in milliseconds. And that goes whoops. I don't like it like that. I want it to go underneath because I like it like that. There we go. Okay. Call noise, vibrate, milliseconds. We're going to say how long the vibration is going to last. We're going to choose the number 100. And there we get a nice new blue block. Click. Next thing we're going to do, click procedures, call update score. Click that one into place. click procedures one more time and say call move mole. Click that one into place. So we should have both call update score and call move mole here at the bottom. And if you guys are ever in doubt, you guys can always check the pictures in your walkthrough that I've given you on paper. Now the last thing we need to do, we've got all these blocks for our program, the very last thing, we need to go ahead and program the reset button to reset the game when you want to start over. So, click on reset button, which is here. Reset button, click do, so that when it's clicked something will happen. Click variables. Go ahead and drag the block that says set blank to. Click it into place. Change the blank to global score. Click anywhere on the white part of the screen. Choose a 0. Oh my goodness, I don't know why this is giving me so much trouble. You know what? This is giving me so much trouble. I'm going to go ahead and click this 0 block. I'm going to say Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and I'm going to make myself a new one. Okay. One last thing, we're going to say procedures. We're going to say call update score, and that's going to go there. And that's all there is to this app. And we'll see how it goes. We have all of our blocks in place, and we have everything looking the way that it should. So what we're going to do, we're going to say build, save APK to my computer, and it's going to go ahead and do that for us. What I'm going to go ahead and do is boot up my trusty computer, my emulator. We're going to be able to see if this works. Let me go ahead and have that happen while it's saving the app. There's my beautiful file. Remember, I want you guys to email this to me so I can check it on the emulator. Here's the same emulator that I use all the time. We're going to open up this fake phone. We're going to load the program that we just created inside it. Oh, and you can see, there it goes. It's moving. Oh, and my score is 1. Oh, I can get it. I can get it. No, I can't. I got it. Ha, ha, ha. Oh man, this thing moves fast. Oh, ah, Ha ha, 5. I got 5. Yes. Woohoo. 6, 8. Ha ha. 9. I want at least 10, guys. Oh, 10. Sweet. Okay, last thing. Does the reset button work? Yes, it does. But we should all remember that I got 10 points. Rock on. Okay, so our app does everything it's supposed to do. The mole is moving around like a mad fiendish thing. The reset button works. The scoreboard works. I say this is a successful game. What do you guys think? Alright, that's all there is to today. Now you can go ahead and customize it, add something other than a mole, make some colors, make some buttons, do some different things, and see what you guys can come up with. Have fun!